This conference will now be recorded.
So one of our colleague has pinged in the group, like Satish Kumar. Yeah, Satish, you have system problem, right? Satish. So can you unmute yourself, Satish?
Just a minute, sir.
Yeah. So you can make it readily available, your system. Is it available?
Yes, I'm preparing my system, sir.
Okay, fine. See, I'm telling you everyone, like after, like suppose after 10 days, the sessions are over, suppose. So you cannot ask these questions. Whatever Satish is going to ask. Actually, Satish is doing a new company creation process. In that new company creation process, he is facing challenges like accounting currency and reporting currency does not balance. That error message is not because of one specific issue. It may be several reasons. It may be several reasons the issue may be occurred. He posted in the group, AX Satya team group, he has posted. Okay, it was not in the our group, actually it is in the other group. Okay, so that error is not because of one specific issue. Okay, this it is not, the issue is because of, you cannot predict like because of one specific reason you are getting error. That error may be causes several reasons. So we need to study the entire environment. So that entire environment verification I cannot do once the sessions are over.
Sir, my system is ready, sir.
Okay, I'm making you presenter. You need to accept.
Just come share. Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the. You are able to see my screen, sir.
Yes.
So now this purchase order has been confirmed, sir. I want to do receive. Here I'm trying to do product receipt. Entering PR number 123. Okay.
No, I don't hurry and don't worry. Okay, so you can do slowly because it will confuse you a lot. It is 0526. One second. 0526. Otherwise, T. You can type T.
T.
That's it. T. Tab. R
now
D.
I do.
Okay. T R D.
Yes.
Now click OK.
I'm not able to minimize this.
I know. I can't. Yeah. So you need to adjust. I can't do anything. You need to do adjustments.
Okay, sir. Are you able to access my screen?
Yeah. I'm able to see.
No, can you even do?
No,
like...
I cannot access your system. So you need to minimize and need to do adjustments. I know every day I'm doing the same thing. Am I right? Whatever the way you are doing now, I'm doing every day.
Okay.
Yeah. You can scroll down and click OK.
So this error is occurring, sir.
Yeah. So what is the error message?
The transaction on WhatsApp do not balance as per 5/27/2022. Accounting currency 80,000, reporting currency 80,000.
So both are same, accounting currency and reporting currency, but error getting. Okay.
And sir, all the transactions are in INR only. I am not using any other currencies.
Make it full screen. Make it full screen. Take the duplicate browser. Take the duplicate browser. Go to inventory management. Go to inventory management setup.
Just a minute, sir.
Yeah. We need to verify so many setups. If it is
Yes,
resolved in one, 2 steps, that is fine. If it, otherwise, we need to verify so many. Posting.
Inventory management, posting.
Yeah.
Here, sir, under purchase order,
Hmm.
I checked whether purchase accrual mapping is there or not.
Next.
This
The
is there,
above,
sir.
1 second. The above cost of material invoice.
Cost of
Material received. Next, purchase expenditure and invoice. Okay. Can you what is the item group? Now go to the purchase order. Keep like this. 1 second. Go to the purchase order. Can you click on that item? This is new item, new company you have created. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Click on that one. Okay. What is the item group? It is INV. Okay. Close. Okay. Otherwise, keep it like this. Now go 1 second. Okay. Now go back to the same screen. Expand purchase order. Here only. No. Where are you going?
Below.
We are in the
purchase.
sales order.
Oh, right.
Expand. Okay. Now scroll down slowly. Purchase accrual. It was not mapped. Means wait. I will tell you. Go to the second browser. So here purchase accrual. Go to the purchase accrual. You have mapped, but not for all. It is only for one group. Got it?
So I can do it for all, sir.
See, you can instead of group, you can select all. There are 2 options. You can select a group, specific group, and you can map the account, or while selecting itself item group, instead of item code group, you can select all.
Okay.
Got it?
Hmm.
Yes. Now map the account. See, always the best practice, easy practice is, yeah, proceed now. Make it full screen. See, go to the first browser. So from here, if you verify, you can understand easily. You need to go to item to item group. Then you will understand. Close this one and open once again. Close this one. No. Wait. Close this screen. Screen means right side corner. Close button is there. No. Okay, so you are not able to do it. Okay. So you can minimize it also screen. Now make it So make it full screen. Always, if you are getting errors, first you need to open the item number. Understood now?
Okay.
You need to click on item number. From that item number, you need to open item group, and you can understand what is going on.
Okay. So now I can try to repost, sir.
Yeah, you can try now. It will be posted now. So you are not able to minimize the GoToMeeting?
Yes, sir.
You can do it actually. So in the left side corner, you can type and you can adjust. But I don't know why you. Okay, no problem. Because you are not an instructor, you don't know about that problem. Every day I'm doing that one. Understood?
Basically, I'm not I'm new to this, no, sir. That's why.
Yeah, no problem. Okay.
Save. Yes, PRN. Yes. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, do it complete the invoice. If there is any
Now,
further more errors, we will verify.
yeah, invoice. So basically, like the more we do the grouping configurations, it will more difficult. It will be.
Yes, it's not like more. See, one of the students, she did it like she did it 6 times company creation process. Okay, first time, second time she shown me like some errors. Third time, fourth time, fifth time she did completed properly. And whenever she is doing seventh time, she is getting errors.
Okay.
That is the reason I'm telling. Whenever I have started a company creation process on May 1st week, every day you need to create a new company and you need to do practice.
But sir, it is
So,
taking almost 2 to 3 hours, sir, for one
yeah,
company.
that is we need to do it. We need to do it.
Yeah.
See, if you are not doing, then once after completion of these sessions, if you are trying, no one will guide you.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I
Even like
cannot
in
spend time.
the remaining day at you even you, it will be difficult for you also to revert back.
I cannot spend time with you if it is a
Yes.
normal timings.
Yeah.
This is open secret. Open secret. See, I need to work in my company problems. Am I right?
But sir, I think you should give at least 2 to 3 days time in after the session to
If,
come back
if,
with
I,
doubts if any.
if it is started, if I started like this, everyone give negligence. So I told you 1 month time. Am I right? Don't fix. No, close error. Go to the drop down. Go to the drop down, and you will have some more errors. I know. What is the error?
You must select a value in the branch code field in the combination
So,
the following values that were main account.
have you, yeah. Do you made like financial dimensions mandatory?
Hmm.
Then you need to map
So
all the dimensions.
okay, where do we do
Right?
that?
So what is the structure? Show me now. Go to the second browser. Keep like this. Go to general ledger. Ledger setup. Ledger. Is it your company data or it is your data?
My sir, I'm one functional consultant is already working on it. I am required to like review the setups and say
Okay, now,
by posting transaction I need to test whether it is fine or not.
okay, go back now, scroll down, scroll up, and go to the accounting structure, configure account structure, click on that one. You have minimized. Now, the like brand code is mandatory. You made it brand code mandatory.
Branch
Look
code.
at this one. Branch code, that one. Yeah, branch code is mandatory. Got it? So now go to the purchase orders, the first browser. Okay, close the error message. Open that purchase order. Go to the header. Go to the header. Scroll down and financial dimensions. Edit in the top. Is it edit is available or not? Close the error messages. Close the error message. No, it is
This one only, right?
Yeah, you need to enter the dimension, financial dimension.
Delivery price, financial dimension.
So you need to map the dimension. So update yeah.
Nothing is coming here. Basically, in case we have branches, it should be drop down should come, right?
No, actually it is not in the edit mode. Purchase order is not in edit mode. That's what it is. It is in the go to the line details. Go to the line details
Okay.
and modify the price. Can you try to modify the price? Is it allowing or not?
Quantity unit.
Plus freeze everything.
No, sir, it is not modifying, sir.
Okay, create a new
Basically, purchase order has been accepted.
No, create a new purchase order. Once again.
Create a new purchase order.
Same item, same vendor.
New.
Same vendor, whatever it is there earlier you have selected, same item you have to select. Okay, now
Where?
so what happened? So it is in the draft mode. Once again, can you disable that purchase order workflow? Go to the procurement sourcing module. No, leave it because why it is approvals are all required. Go to the procurement sourcing parameters. Procurement and sourcing parameters.
Document sourcing.
Setup.
Yep.
Setup procurement sourcing parameters. The first one. Remove that activate change management checkbox.
Change management.
Third
Which button,
column.
sir?
Third column.
1, 2, 3. Third column.
Second one. Checkbox.
Second, activate change management.
Remove that one.
Okay.
Save. Save. Now create a new purchase order. Close the error message. It is already you are keeping the error message.
No, sir, I don't see any error message, sir.
I think you are in the back end in the GoToMeeting back end. It is there. Understood?
Okay.
Okay. Proceed now.
Save, sir. Can I save now?
Yeah. One
Or
second.
dimensions?
Go to the header. Go to the header. Map the dimensions. Branch code.
Is it saved now? Or we have some? Achha.
You have to go to purchase and confirm it.
Line details. First, go to line details. Line details.
Confirm.
Lines.
Okay.
Map the dimensions whether it is there or not here also, and the downside scroll down. Last, financial dimensions. Is it available? Now you need to map that one also. Now confirm this one and do the product receipt and then try invoice. Okay, I'll be back in 1 minute. You can try to proceed with that one. I'll be back in 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm back.
Invoice number 126.
It was posted.
Posting for services.
Okay, everything is done.
Please check the voucher. Where do I check the voucher, sir?
Sorry. Now click on invoice journals. Yeah,
I need
voucher, invoice. Yeah, you have to click
Yeah.
on invoice.
Sir, taxes didn't get posted, sir, here.
You have not mapped taxes, then how it will become? Go back, close. Close.
And one new purchase order, sir.
No, wait. Close this also.
This also. Okay.
Scroll down. Wait. Scroll down. Line details. Setup. Here, setup item sales tax group and sales tax group. Little bit up. Little bit up. Setup tab here. Otherwise, general tab. You will find sales tax and item sales tax group. Oh, okay. This is India, na?
Yes, sir.
So India means it is. There are so many things we need to verify. I cannot verify now. So that you need to check with the Indian localizations. Okay. It will not show from here. There is so many setups. It's not like simple setup. Okay.
Okay. Anyway, sir, thanks, sir. We can continue the class. Right.
Yeah, okay. Fine.
Thanks a lot.
Let me make myself presenter. Okay, so see, frankly, I'm speaking. Everyone need to create a new company doing all the setups. I'm telling the same thing from many days. Okay, no one is taking seriously. I'm telling, because if you practice, definitely you will get errors. If you are getting errors, you will approach me. If you are not approaching me, means most probably you are doing very less in terms of company creation process. Because what I thought, this batch is a very big batch, and at least 80%, 70 to 80% people will get a job. If they get job, I'm very happy. But if you are not practicing, what I can do? You will approach me after 1 month. You will come back to me like in the WhatsApp, like, sir, I'm getting this error. I'm getting this error. Can you help me? I can't do anything. Because if you learn frankly 0 to 99 properly, whatever you are learning, whatever I'm teaching, it is 0 to 99. It is 0 to 99 only. After that, you need to learn. Like I'm teaching like 100, 1000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakhs, 1 crore, 10 crores, 100 crores. I'm teaching this one. Okay, you need to practice with so many complex scenarios in real time scenario whenever you got opportunity. If you are not practicing with 0 to 99, if you are not learning, then no use. I want job, but I don't want to practice. How it is possible? Here I'm speaking with everyone. We have 30 plus team, this one. Of course, now it is 10, only 12 members are there. That means 11 people only joined. Okay, we have 35 members. Actually, this is a big group, 35 members group, this batch. That is the reason I'm little bit, because majority people are, if you are getting job, I'm very happy. If you are not getting in this big batch, if you are not getting at least minimum to minimum 50% people, then there is no use to provide trainings in this session. There is no use for me. I want you to be placed, then only I will be happy.
Sir, if somebody misses 1 or 2 classes, they are continuing to miss other classes also.
That's what. Why? You can practice, am I right? And you can come back to me. Am I right? It's not complex. So if you are facing challenges, company creation process, it will not take, see, for me, it will take 20 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes. For you, initially, it will take 4 hours. That is not your mistake at all. It will take 4 hours. Let it be. Then it will be decreased to 3.5 hours, 3 hours, 2.5 hours, 2 hours, 1 hour, half an hour. Practice makes man or woman perfect. Okay, so this is not a rocket science, or it is too much complex functionality. It is a very dead easy application. If you are not able to understand Dynamics AX, Dynamics application, you cannot learn other ERPs. Don't think, because SAP is a very complex product. See, I love SAP as well. I'm telling you, I love SAP. Functionality wise, superb application, but complex to learn. Oracle apps also, database wise, Oracle database is a very strong product in the world. But the main advantage is from Microsoft, it is easy to learn. It's easy to learn when compared with other applications. So if it is, suppose I'm asking you, is it a big line or small line? Is it a big line or small line?
It will be based on the other line, sir. By this we
Exactly.
cannot say. Yeah.
We cannot predict.
Tally is this one. Tally is this one. SAP is like this. In terms of complexity, I'm telling you, this is SAP. This is Tally. This is Dynamics. Suppose I want a job immediately, try to learn Tally and get a job as accountant. A small job, maybe 10,000, 15,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees. Your growth will not be much. So if you are targeting SAP, you need to spend minimum to minimum 2 years. 1 year for learning, 1 year for practicing. You need to have 2 years, then only you can learn this application. It is a very, this one is you are learning in 3 months and you are practicing at least 1 month, 2 months, you can get a job. If you are not doing this one, if you want to be like, I want to work in a Tally, I want to work as a like a sales clerk, or I want to work as a marketing consultant, I want to work as an accountant, your wish. So practicing is most important. Company creation process, particularly for finance consultant. So because why I'm telling this one, previous batches, there are many people, they interrupt me, sir, I'm getting this error, I'm getting this error. So I resolved so many errors. But in this batch, no one is asking. No one is asking, only listening.
Sir, actually, we are practice. I am practicing that new company creation.
Okay.
The same scenario, whatever it is there, the same way I practice, the same errors it's coming. So maybe that is the reason. The different scenario we have to select.
So see, you need to practice, but don't look at my step by step, step 1, step 2, step 3. Don't look at. Target for 1 hour.
Okay.
Understood? Then you will do mistakes. So I think you are practicing. Whatever the steps I have explained, you are looking at the steps and you are doing. Am I right?
Few
Agree?
steps are mostly I am doing myself. Last few steps I am looking.
Okay. So while practicing, how much time it is taking for you?
3 hours or 3 to 3.5 hours.
But it should be completed for in 30 minutes only.
Okay.
30 minutes, because you are not creating chart of accounts, you are not creating financial dimensions. Am I right? You are using
Yeah,
already
yeah.
existing one.
Already existing. Yeah.
That's it. Financial dimensions and chart of accounts you don't create. Already existing one you are using. If it is like that, it will take 30 minutes time. 3.5 hours means it is too much. I agree with you first time. Second time, okay. How many times you have created company?
10 times, sir. It is.
10 times. But still you are taking 3.5 hours. Am I right?
Yeah, yeah.
For me,
So
20.
all steps like invoice booking, the new bank creation, the
Yes.
JV's creation, till that
Mm.
I'm doing.
Okay. At least see, that is fine. Everything means it is 45 minutes is fine. 45 minutes
Okay.
to 1 hour is fine. But you are taking 3.5 hours means you are looking at whatever the steps I have explained, the same manner you are trying.
Okay.
Got it? It
Yeah,
should
yeah.
be finished in 1 hour. It should be finished in less than 1 hour. Less than 1 hour. Yes, it is possible. Got it?
Yeah,
And
got it.
don't copy paste whatever the way I am explaining. You can do your own. See, it is not only for Venkateshwarlu. I'm talking to everyone here. I'm talking to everyone. Everyone, please try to do it. This one. You need to finish it. Company creation process. Max to max 45 minutes. Max to max. After that, fixed asset module also, if you are touching, it is max to max 1.5 hour. Max to max 1.5 hour. Budgeting and fixed assets. With one transaction, one fixed asset equation, one budget transaction, one purchase order, one sales order, one vendor payment, one customer payment. With the bank, these transactions, if you do it by within 1.5 hour, then you are in the race. So if you want to win race, you need to win in your street. There later you need to win in your city. Then you need to win in your district. Then you need to win in the state. Then only you can win in the country. Then only you can win in the world champions. If you are failing in the streets, then no use. So whatever your company creation process is, you are participating in the streets and this city only. That is equal to city and street. Understood? Your target is at least global, at least worldwide or countrywide participation. If you want to do countrywide participation, you need to win, you need to cross so many limits. You are not crossing first limit itself. Okay, because see, earlier it is 25 members batch. In that, at least 8 to 10 members, they asked me a lot. 8 to 10 members. This batch is 35 members. Big batch. But people are asking 1, 2 persons, 3 persons. I'm literally disappointed with this batch. See, my goal is not money. My goal is, of course, money is required because I'm doing hard work. I need money. But that money is not my primary goal. I want my students should be placed. Then only I will be happy. I want students in each and every country in the globe. At least minimum to minimum 50 countries. At present, maybe around 25 to 30 countries, my students are there. Maybe. I'm thinking. I'm not sure. I'm thinking. At least 20, minimum 20 to 25 countries. Yes, I'm sure students are there. My students. I want that every country in the world, my students should be there. That is my motto. Because if you got job and if you are traveling on site, then I came to know like you are working in other country, then I'm very happy. If you are traveling on site, because IT has giving opportunity. See, frankly, I'm speaking. In 2000, in the year 2001, 2002, looking at flight is my goal. I mean to say, I came to Hyderabad. I came to Begumpet area, and from the Begumpet area there is a flyover. From there I saw flights to look at flights. To look at, I mean to say, my intention, my interest is to look at the flights. After that, now I traveled more than 100 flights because of this Dynamics application. I traveled more than 100 flights. This is I got if it is I'm working in a other than this Dynamics. If I'm working for that one, any other opportunity, I may not get this opportunity. So in the passport, my first passport, no stamps, no stamps. Second passport, there is no space to stamp. Second passport. Third passport, it is something. Second passport, fully stamps, stamp on stamp. I traveled a lot. First passport, no stamp is there. Looking at the flight from the far away itself is a dream. Later in the second passport, second 10 years span, I traveled n number of more than 10 countries. And
So, sir, we can have opportunities where like we need not move out of country, but we can go for temporary
yes,
implementation.
Yes, exactly. Okay. That's what I did it. I traveled, I came back. I traveled to USA. I traveled to Netherlands. I traveled to Spain. I traveled to Singapore. I traveled to Malaysia. I traveled to Dubai. I traveled to Kenya. My first travel is Kenya.
So basically, like I also don't want to leave India, but I want to just visit all countries.
Yes. So that will be fulfilled. That will be fulfilled if you practice and if you do it. Okay, because I'm worrying because if it is a big batch, 35 members batch, if people are getting opportunity, then I will be more happy. Frankly, I'm speaking. Your money will not your money will not give satisfaction to me.
And sir, how do we evaluate an opportunity, sir, whether there is a good opportunity or a bad opportunity?
No one is a bad opportunity, but don't stay back for more than 3 years in a company. That's it. More than 3 years, don't stay back in more than 3 years. Stay back for 1 year, 2 years, jump into another company. This is an open secret. Every 2 years, try to change your company as per your comfort. Initially, whatever the opportunity you got it, try to adapt, try to grasp. Okay, and once you are at least 3 to 4 years real experience, you can demand the market. Getting opportunity into dynamics starting point is a complex. Once you get into this dynamics world, no one will stop you. Huge requirements in the market. Okay, because see, no one is asking me doubts. I'm literally worried about this one. No one is asking. We have 35 members batch, so I'm listening at a video recording session. No need to join live sessions. What is the use? Okay, whenever you joined on the first day, how much interest you have, the same interest should be continued in the last day of the batch. Okay, fine, because this lecturing is for only whoever is listening video recording sessions also. I'm just telling you here. Fine, let me go back. I'm sorry if I'm killing your time, but this is reality. This is reality, because as a brother, I want to make you well wish to your career. That is the reason I'm using this word. I'm killing your time. Okay, fine, let me go back. Now consolidation process we are learning. We are learning consolidation process. So let me go back here. Because I started my career very low and I'm in a top position now. I started my career with very low. I told you, like, to look at flight itself closely is a dream, but I traveled more than 100 flights. And when I'm working in Dubai, I saw n number of different varieties of flights, because my office and room, it is exactly opposite to the airport. One side airport, one side is opposite, office. So every day I'm traveling by car. Yeah, at that time it is one side and second side, like going by this side, like this is airport, and my room is here. My room is here and office is here. So sometimes I will move from this side to this side like this, and otherwise I move from this side to this side. So every day I'm moving. So through airport, Dubai airport, n number of flights will be there, different colors, different. You will not see in other countries, because in Gulf countries, everyone whoever is having petrol bunks, they will have their own aircrafts, different colors, different models, a lot. I saw n number. My eyes is very satisfied with that, looking at different colors of like helicopters or like airplanes or anything. Helicopters, particular helicopters, there are so many designs. I got opportunity. Okay, so this dynamics has given me a very good life for me. Very satisfied. That is the reason, with that happy only I am teaching to many people. Okay, so remaining institutes, they may teach, but they will explain only for money. But my explanation is not for money. I want whatever I got happiness, that should be done by, that should be that should be achieved by you people also. Okay, fine.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir, about the
Yes,
company
please.
creation process.
Yeah.
Sir, the company creation process which we saw is the manufacturing one.
Hmm.
So I want to create for the retail, sir, retail one.
Retail means it is retail module you need to learn.
Re- So
Retail module.
my model
Ah,
is, company model is like this, sir. Is it possible to do in this? This is like, so repeat retail market, like
hmm,
DMart in Hyderabad is there.
hmm, hmm,
So it has 5 different branches in Hyderabad city,
hmm,
5 locations. One
hmm.
warehouse is the centralized warehouse, and one is office.
Okay.
So 5 business units one
Hmm.
warehouse and one office. Like
Yeah.
this, I want to create. In
Hmm.
this, the purchasing policy of this company is, sir,
Hmm.
uh, there are trade the stock products. The
Hmm.
purchase department has differentiated three types. Okay, one
But
the
hmm.
first one is the durable goods, means the goods which can be used for long time, like electronic items, your garment items.
So Venkateshwarlu, you are looking at the requirement from your friend and you are reading.
No, no,
Okay.
sir.
So
I worked in the retail market. That's why I have it, sir.
okay,
Before
fine,
I
fine.
worked in
Yeah,
retail
proceed.
market.
Yeah, proceed now. Yeah. So
So if
first thing is your hurdle is retail, except retail, everything can be mapped. Am I right?
yes,
Yeah,
sir.
proceed now. Hmm. So now,
So
yeah, proceed. Yeah, proceed. Hmm.
the durable goods can be purchased only through purchase and delivered at the warehouse, centralized
Okay.
warehouse.
Hmm. Hmm.
That is the one.
Hmm.
The stock durable goods, the
Hmm.
perishable goods, like which will damage so early, like milk, bread, anything like vegetables.
Hmm.
It has to
Hmm.
be purchased. It will be delivered at the these locations, the retail locations,
Yeah.
5 locations where it is
Yeah.
there.
Yeah. Yeah. Understood. Understood. Ah. Ah.
And one more is non-trade, means this
Hmm.
non-stock items. It will be
Hmm.
purchased at same time for all the 5 locations.
Okay. Hmm.
Stationery, consumables. In one
Understood.
PO,
Understood.
I need
Ah.
to purchase 5 stores. The
Hmm.
stationery, consumables, the non-stock
Hmm.
items.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
Like this,
So,
when
hmm.
when we select the PO, we can select the this business unit wise, sir, the trade and non-trade.
So whenever you are creating a purchase order, we have option, am I right? We can select multiple locations or multiple warehouses. So the design, how it is, like we need to discuss with the retail consultant as well in this scenario, with along with retail consultant. Okay, so you need to decide that locations are whatever you are telling, like it is most probably warehouses, because 5 places, 5 warehouses. See, I'm expert in warehouses only. But if you go to retail, e-commerce, we have, look at this one, retail channels,
Okay.
online stores and retail channels. So this stores you need to define. This is completely retail module.
Mhm.
So if it is warehouse, I can teach you whatever I'm teaching. But retail, I'm not expert in this retail store.
It will be
So
same way for the selling also, sir. The sale of goods will be the store level, each store level, retail
yeah,
branch.
it is actually like there is a POS, point of sales.
Yeah,
For
POS.
this, for this POS will be another application, add-on application to this one, that is .NET product. Of course, this is also .NET product now. Okay, so through POS you can sell the items. So at that time, assortments, and there are so many setups here you need to understand. Got it? You need to understand all these things. If you ask me about all these things, I'm not expertise.
So do we have any material or books we can get to like to explore more? Basically, if sometimes we come face some
Hmm.
challenge,
Hmm.
so we want to explore. Basically, real time scenario we don't know what will we face. So how to
Hmm.
like learn and explore, sir?
So there are one is simplest way is our groups. Am I right? One is Telegram group. I have Telegram group. I have WhatsApp group. There are many people. They are posting a lot. Agree?
Sir, out of the
So
total, like
okay,
only I feel that only few people
fine.
reply,
Okay, fine.
and
Now one more thing I will tell you. Suppose something I have typed. Okay, community.microsoft.com. If you go here, you will find so many. What is the error? It was posted. Try to adapt this one. It is actually like Gallo Deepam lantidi. But this is not the correct way. But see the errors. You want to see the errors, am I right?
Sir, we don't have authors who have written books on specific industry types.
Okay, fine. So for that means there will be books, but I am not very much expertise, very much about. See, which one you are looking, whether it is see, always there are so many blocks, am I right? Modules.
Yes,
1
sir.
minute.
Now this is, sir, you shared us this GST engine document. You shared it from somewhere, right?
Yeah, exactly. So that is Microsoft document, Microsoft. So you need to focus on whether you are planning for this module or this module or this module. You need to decide.
But sir, coming to one organization, we cannot state one or two modules. Now we have to look at end to end, right?
That is later. That is later because you started career like now, right? See, I'm working for this one. 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 One person cannot learn everything. If you learn, that's good. I'm not denying. That is once you got opportunity. Have you got a job already?
I basically, because of my previous experience, I joined as a functional consultant, but like they are also expecting me to have a get knowledge on the product.
Yeah, exactly. So now whatever you have given examples, in that you are asking many questions related to this area. Am I right? So on overnight, you cannot become an expert in all modules. Frankly, I'm speaking. Still, I have total in Dynamics, I have almost 14 years, 13 to 14 years experience, but still I don't have experience on this one. In overnight, you cannot become an expert for all modules. That is practically impossible. You will get stress a lot in your mind. So slowly try to learn first finance. You have already joined and you are learning, and slowly you can learn this T&L also, and then you can try to focus on either this one or this one or this one, either one. 2 to 3 modules is more enough, because I'm not expert in retail. I did not get opportunity to work with this retail, but I'm expert in all these things. Okay.
Okay, fine, sir.
So you cannot see, don't put your legs in multiple boats at a time. Try to manage with 2 boats is fine. 1 boat is good, 2 boats is fine. But if you are trying to put multiple boats your leg, then you will not learn. Slowly you need to enhance your knowledge. Suppose one person is targeting for 1 year, I want to learn two modules. One person is, I want in 6 months I want to learn. Yes, that is your interest. I agree with your interest, but don't go too much fast. Okay. Understood?
Yeah, sir. I got, sir.
Okay, fine.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Fine. Let me go back. I'm sorry, today it is completely discussions rather than application. No problem. Let me go to GLCO.
Sir,
Yeah.
we can, I think, start tomorrow the new system.
No, let me show this one. This is not it will not take much time. Yesterday I have initiated GLCO. So now consolidations, collapse all, consolidation online. Let me do now consolidation for 2 companies at least. Okay. So I'm selecting from account and 2 account.
Get a company, sir, first. Consultation company.
So it is already existing one. I'm using GLCO. 1 second. Here. So if you want me to show creation of a company, once again I will show you, no problem. But already company it is there, whatever it is there, we are using GLCO. Company creation means I will show you Monday if you want. Okay. So in this GLCO, you need to remember system administration, sorry, organization administration, organizations, legal entities.
How do you distinguish
create-
between a normal company and consolidating company, sir?
This one, that's what I'm coming.
Used
This
for
check box.
financial consolidation. Okay.
If you
Once we
enable this,
activate that, we will not have any other, we cannot post transactions.
exactly right, exactly right. Okay, so it is created. Suppose I'm mapping. So if you want new company, and I will create a new company and I will show you like maybe next Monday. Okay, coming Monday I will show you if you want really. Let me do this one. If you enter D, it will update today. Include actual amounts. Include actual amounts. Okay, I'm entering suppose consolidation 1 something. Financial dimensions. Whatever the dimensions you want priority, you can map it. And legal entities, I'm adding USMF and DEMF. 2 companies only I'm adding. Elimination, I have not explained. I will explain you later. Currency translation, it is 2 companies I have mapped. Run in the background. If it is batch job, it will take some time. Actually, in real time scenario, we will use batch job only because huge data will be there. Then only if it is huge data, always batch job only. Now in this sample data, we don't have huge data. So I have removed batch processing. I'm clicking OK. It is updating rebuild balances, no problem. Okay, so it is updated like this. So many. Okay, no problem. Was completed. So now what is that I will tell you later. Okay, in the online, actually consultation online, I have selected rebuild balances. That is the reason it was taking some time. Now, if you verify in the consolidation transactions, it will show you USMF company and DMF company. In USMF company, if you click on transactions, actuals, it will show you the transactions posted in this month, in this financial year. In this financial year, whatever you have posted, it will show you. This is in this financial year, and this is DMF company. Sorry, not budget. Budget balances, it is not transferred. Actually, you have not enabled budget transactions. Okay, so in DMF company, we don't have any transaction. That is the reason it is not showing anything. So what we will do, we'll create one transaction. We'll do the once again like this process. Let me go to DMF company. Let me post quickly one single transaction. And let me do once again this consolidation process so that we'll get some balances at least.
Sir, is it possible for you to share me the GST files for configuration,
Oh, yeah. I'll share.
the latest ones?
Latest ones I don't have, so old ones I'll share with you. Otherwise, let me check and I will get back to you.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So old one, whatever I have, I will share with you immediately. But later I will verify and I will get back. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now let me once again rerun this consolidation. Now I don't want rebuild balances so that it will not take much time. I'm doing run once again the same procedure. And, quickly without bad job, I'm executing once again. Now it will be posted fast. Second time I'm executing.
Sir, one more thing, sir. We wanted to have a joint lunch with you sometime. So need your consent, sir.
We'll see in future, definitely. Okay. So you can plan consolidation transactions. Can now in this DMF company will find the transactions. Okay, here the transactions. Understood? Now, if you want to verify the report, you can verify the reports trial balance or any reports related to finance. You can generate in GLCO company. You can click on inquiries and reports, trial balances. You can click on calculate balances. This is, it will show you both companies, GLCO, like USMF and DMF, both companies data will be shown. If you select here and if you click on transactions, it will show you both companies. One transaction just now we have posted. This is related to DMF, and these all are USMF. Suppose I want to see like in the transactions, then we have option to do like that also. Like while doing consolidation, consolidation online, we can enable legal entity also. Legal entity as dimension, and this is second, and this is third. Okay, if you execute now like this, then it will show you dimensions as well. I mean to say legal entity as well in the system. Let me execute now for third. Run in the background. I don't want run in the background. Immediately I want it, so it will be finished. After this, if you verify once again, general ledger, GLCO, general ledger, collapse all, ledger setup, sorry, inquiries and reports, you can generate trial balance. Third time also executed. Now, if you select this one, if you go to transactions, so at this point it is not showing. Okay, so actually we need to add legal entity. That I will show you Monday. You can add main account plus legal entity also. So we'll see this one later Monday in detail. So you can do the consultation process and you can generate a reports. Okay, this is about consultation. So Monday, once again, I will start from the starting point and I will explain you clearly what it is. And one more thing, we'll discuss on Monday about business unit versus legal entity. We'll discuss. What is the difference between the legal entity and business unit? We'll discuss in detail. I want your participation, debate on Monday. Okay, and then we'll most probably consultation process it will be completed by Monday, but elimination process I need to explain you. For that intercompany also I need to explain you. All these things it will be covered in 2 days, Monday and Tuesday. Okay, I'm stopping here for today. If any questions, please let me know.
Sir,
Otherwise,
yes,
yeah.
I have a doubt, sir.
Yeah.
While creating sequences, number sequences for journals, we can we get into the screen, sir?
Screen means I did not.
That our application.
Okay.
So if you are creating a sequence, say let us create a journal, sir, just for a minute. Journal setup, journal. Set as, let's say, some new journal we are creating. Is a fixed asset depreciation, let us say. Once, sir, here we create, right? Okay, once we have to mention there or here.
It is must you need to map post fixed assets. Post fixed assets is the depreciation calculation. Tell me.
Okay. Sir, here under in the general, sir, after creating voucher number. We do right click and then go to item details to create a number sequence.
Yes. Yeah.
So there we after here when we in the scope, sir, we put shared.
That is actually shared is not for all these things. It is for
just a minute, sir.
It is only yeah. Tell me.
My doubt is basically, sir, here the company is also there, legal entity is also there. So we generally select company, right?
Yes.
But not legal entity.
Yes.
But we are doing transactions for legal entity, right?
Yeah. As of now in Dynamics, legal entity is equal to company. But this is more about Brazil localizations. They have configured all these things. If you know the Brazil localization, you can understand the purpose of inside.
Okay. So basically, as per standard, we need to do company only, not legal entity.
Company we are
if
using.
If do legal entity, it will not come.
Yeah. See, in general, we are mapping company only, not legal entity. Legal entity has some separate function maybe. As of now, there is no specific like company is equal. As of now, company is equal to legal entity. Actually, in Dynamics, it is legal entity. A company is in management reporters. In management reporters, it is company. Okay. But while creating journals, we are using company only.
My doubt was why should not we do legal entity? That
you can try whether it is working or not. It's not
so
coming.
If we want the required output, we need to map company only.
Yeah, exactly. Because this is given for Brazil localization. For Brazil localization, what is the purpose? I don't know. I know only high level picture. It is used in the Brazil localizations. All these setups. Understood?
Fine, sir. Thank you.
So we cannot learn. That's why I told you all localizations in the world, whatever it is there, you cannot learn in one shot. If whenever you are getting opportunity to work with the Brazil localization, you will understand, you will explore all these things a lot. Okay, fine. Yeah, any more questions, team? If nothing, then we can wind up the session for today. We'll connect once again on Monday, same time. See you all. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.